From idea to income, 5 steps to build a profitable business. You got a killer idea, right? Something you know deep down could be huge. It keeps you up at night. You're daydreaming about it instead of listening to your boss. Let's be real. Everyone has ideas, but turning them into a successful business, that's a whole different ball game. That's where most people get stuck. They don't know how to take that next step. But you know what? I'm pumped for you because in this video we're diving deep into the 5 steps that will take you from that initial spark to a real revenue-generating machine. We're talking actionable advice you can use today, no BS. I'm talking about turning your passion into your paycheck, your side hustle into your main hustle. So if you're ready to stop dreaming and start doing, buckle up. This is going to be huge. Look, I'm all about the hustle, but even I'll tell you, you don't want to waste time on an idea nobody wants. That's why, before you even think about quitting your job or spending a dime, you've got to validate your idea. Here's the deal. Talk to real people, your potential customers. Don't just ask your mum. She loves everything you do. Get on social media, join Facebook groups, find your people and ask them what they really think. Even better, create a simple survey, or if you can swing it, build a basic prototype, a minimum viable product, an MVP. The goal here is simple. Figure out if people are actually willing to pull out their wallets and pay for what you're offering. Don't be scared of negative feedback. Embrace it. It's way better to hear it now than after you've sunk your life savings into something nobody wants. Trust me on that one. This step is all about mitigating risk. The more you know about your audience and whether they actually need what you're offering, the higher your chances of success. All right, so you've validated your idea and people are genuinely excited about it. Now it's time to build your battle plan, your business plan. Don't freak out. This doesn't have to be some fancy document that collects dust on your shelf. It's all about having a clear roadmap, a blueprint for success. Start by outlining your product or service in detail. Who is your target audience? What's your pricing strategy? How are you going to get the word out and market this thing? Think about your costs, your revenue streams, how you're actually going to make money from this. And don't forget about competition. Who else is out there doing something similar, and how are you going to differentiate yourself? This plan will be your North Star, guiding you through the ups and downs of building a business. It's going to keep you focused and accountable. Chapter 3. Listen, I know you're eager to go all in, quit your job and become an overnight success, but here's the thing, you don't need $1 million or a finished product to launch. In fact, it's better if you don't. Start small with that MVP you tested earlier. Get it out into the market as quickly as possible and start gathering real-world feedback. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. As you start making sales and getting feedback, you can reinvest that money back into your business, improving your product or service along the way. This is how you build momentum and validate your assumptions. Don't let perfection be the enemy of good enough. Get your idea out there. Learn from your mistakes and iterate as you go. Chapter 4. You could have the greatest product in the world, but if nobody knows about it, you're going to fail. That's why marketing is absolutely crucial. You need to become a master storyteller, communicating the value of your product or service in a way that resonates with your target audience. Where do they hang out online? Are they on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook? Do they read blogs or listen to podcasts? Once you know where your audience is, you need to be there too, providing valuable content, engaging with them and building relationships. Don't be afraid to experiment with different marketing channels. Try influencer marketing, run Facebook ads, collaborate with other businesses. The key is to be creative, persistent, and always provide value. Chapter 5. Look, I'm not a numbers guy, but even I know that you can't build a successful business without understanding your finances. Keep a close eye on your expenses, your revenue, and your profit margins. How much are you spending to acquire a customer? What's your average order value? These are the metrics that matter. They tell you if your business is actually healthy or if you're just spinning your wheels. Luckily, you don't have to be a financial wizard to stay on top of your finances. There are tons of great tools out there like QuickBooks or Wave that can help you manage your money like a pro. Trust me, understanding your numbers is the key to making smart business decisions and ensuring long-term sustainability. Outro. Every single business you see out there, from the local coffee shop to the billion-dollar tech giants, started with an idea. But here's the difference. The successful ones took action. They didn't wait for the perfect time or the perfect plan. They started small, stayed consistent, and built their empires brick by brick. So what are you waiting for? Which of these 5 steps are you going to tackle today? Let me know in the comments below. I actually read them. Remember, your dream is worth fighting for. Now go out there and make it happen.